Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Sonos system using the Sonos mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Sonos app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Sonos system. Now in the app, look at the bottom right or top right, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, tap on system or switch system. This will show you all the Sonos product connected to your account. To delete the system, you will need to remove each speaker individually. Tap on a speaker name, then scroll down and tap remove product, confirm when off. Repeat the same step for each Sonos speaker in your setup. Once all your products are removed, go back to the settings or you can tap on your profile and tap on sign out. If you want to completely wipe the app, you can also delete and reinstall it from the App Store. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Sonos system from the mobile app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.